Hey everybody, welcome to Diva Styles. You guys, I got my coffee. I'm in the basement, in the craft room. I'm hyped up. I'm ready to go. You guys, but first, before we get started into the craft, has anybody else, y'all, I've been feeling so tired this week. I have been tired. Weather's been crazy. Time seems like it's just going slow. Has anybody else been feeling that way? Like, what's going on? Okay, anywho, you guys, we're gonna have fun with this craft today. Like, we're gonna have so much fun. So I'm actually wearing one right now. I did these in 3 different ways. You guys, look at this. Look at that. This is one of those, what is it? Like the lock spirals, like to hold your ponytails, you guys. Love it. So this one is like yarn wrapped, obsessed. This one I did with some fabric. This one, you could sew this style, but did I sew? No, because I don't sew. Y'all, I use my hot glue gun. You know how I do. And then this one is just taking fabric and wrapping it. But you guys, like, have fun with this. These are smaller. And this one is like with some velvet yarn. This one I did like with an old t-shirt, took some string, wrapped it up. Yeah, so that's the craft we're about to get into today. But before I get into that craft, I had a question. Someone asked me about doing a tutorial on this scarf. Now y'all hold on, cause I hold up. Let me hold up before I take this off. Okay, look, I'm trying to grow my size out. My size in my back was shaved. I'm trying to grow it out. And listen, there is no hairstyle for the middle and for that transition. So y'all, it's looking some type of way. Okay, so I actually have done a few of these since that video. So I actually make these like a different way. So my question is, would you like me to do the tutorial on the figure 8 stitch, or let me go grab it. Alright, I'm back. Or this is the other stitch. As you can see, it's not as you know, it doesn't have that much spaces in it. And when I did this one, I actually did like you know, like half and half. Listen, this one was too cute. I actually love this one. Like, love. So you let me know. Ooh, guys, see, I can't even style this because I'm looking in my computer and not, you know. But listen, this way, love it, love. So just let me know which one you would like me to show you, and I will be sure to do a tutorial. But for right now, y'all, like I said, I'm about to sip on this coffee. You know, wish it was the weekend and it was something else, but it is what it is. Let's get into these lock wraps right now. Let's do it. So right here, all I'm doing is grabbing some felt. This is what I'm going to actually cover the wire in. That way it adds, you know, like thickness, and it's also soft and not harsh on your head. And this is the same fleece that I use when doing felt when doing the bracelets. So as you see, just wrap it. And you can actually make this your own, make it as thick or as thin as you want. That is totally up to you. As you can see, there's one there that's like thicker than the other ones. I wrapped that one twice. I doubled the felt on that one. So yeah, just make sure your ends are covered. That way nothing is sticking you or poking you in the head. And don't worry about any glue that's showing, because we're about to cover it. Like, that's okay. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of that African print that we use for the bracelets. Like, I wanted to make something that matched it. So because I actually do want to make some earrings to go with this too, like a whole set. But that's another day. So we're just wrapping it. Really simple. Like the wrap style is the easiest one, and you can decorate this. You could also add some string, like some colored string on top, and make it really, and give it that really nice boho vibe. I'm thinking I might do that. Some gold string would look really nice, but I wouldn't add like any, what is it? Any wire wrap on it, or beads, because again, this is something that's going in your hair. I would be worried about it getting, you know, caught or tangled, and I just don't got time for that. So you can add it if you want, but just be careful of that. All right, so we actually got the first one done, and as you see, that took no time. That was easy. The second one, we're actually going to use some yarn, and I wanted it to be really soft, so I chose this really chunky yarn, and all I'm going to do is tie it on to start it, but you guys can use any yarn of any weight. So yeah, once you tie it on there, I mean, again, we're just using that wrap method. Like, it's so easy, so simple. You guys, these are great for I made some of these for my daughters. Anybody really that's got locks or even braids. I don't think these are just stuck to locks. I think you'd also do these on braids, and it would be a cute accessory. And y'all, this one I just love this one. This one is just, it's so soft and like plush. I just love it. Now this one, I said I'm probably gonna add some gold to it, but for now I just left it as is. But, and y'all, these scissors is like trash. Like, they're garbage and they're brand new. Anywho, where did I get those from? I actually had got those from Hobby Lobby, I think. But I'm just gonna end it with a little dot of glue to secure the yarn in place so that it doesn't unravel. I mean, the scissors is trash, as you can see. Look at that. But then again, I mean, that was probably my fault. I bought the cheapest pair of scissors they had, so that's on me. And again, look at that. It's just so easy to fold and bend. I just love it. Two. We got two done. Okay, and for the third one, we are going to use some fabric again, but we're not going to wrap it this time. Now, like I said, I don't sew, so you're going to see me use my glue gun, but you can sew if that's your thing. And I'm just not realizing I did not cut in the camera view. Now, I did just glue those two ends together just to make my fabric like a little bit longer, because I wanted to give that scrunchy type look to this spiral lock. But y'all, this is so easy. Then I'm just seeing how much fabric I had because I did not measure. Y'all know I don't measure nothing. I should have made it a little bit longer, but it is what it is. And then this is where you can sew the ends together. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna take some glue and I'm just gonna, or you could take some of that iron-on tape. I did buy that, but I was like, I don't feel like it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like it. I was being lazy tonight. And now I'm just gonna take some pipe cleaner and a little loom knit, a plastic little needle that I got, to try to turn this inside out. Y'all, it was this was a struggle because I couldn't find my original tool for doing this, so I'm like trying to rig something up. As you can see, the first time I tried this, look at that, it was a fail because it's like, girl, now how you gonna get that needle in there? How you gonna get the needle in there? Come on, take it apart, try again. Try again. Yeah. But I'm sure if you a crafter, you got a tool for turning your fabric inside out, especially if you sew. Like, that's a skill of yours, I'm sure. Not mine. And then, like I said, just turn this inside out and we pretty much done. We good to go. Yes, it was a little bit of a struggle turning this inside out. But I got it. I did. I got it. Still struggling. Trying to turn this inside out. My husband back there laughing at me. I don't know if I like these voiceovers because I gotta actually sit and watch my video. I really don't watch my own videos. This is a little torture. Like I can see everything I'm doing wrong. Everything that is like, oh gosh, I should have probably redid that or did that differently. Well, it is what it is. Okay, here you can see I finally got it. I finally got somewhere. Like we almost there. We're almost there. We're almost at the stretch. Yeah, this was a struggle. But like I said, I think it's because I made the fabric like really skinny. I should have, instead of, I think I did like a 2-inch strip. I probably should have did 3 or 4. But I mean, hey, it is, it's done now. And it looks fabulous. It's amazing. So that's all that matters. Yeah, now we gotta take that little thing off that we done rigged up. And as you can see, it looked like it was sewed, but it's not sewed, it's just glued. And so now all we gotta do is stick our little wrapped wire down there. And you guys, look at that. You see the little scrunched up effect I was going for? That's why I did like extra fabric. Yeah, I love the little scrunchy look. And then here I'm just gonna fold it like I fold the ends inside so that I can glue it together, plus glue it to the end so that it does not move. So I did glue it to the end of the wire, put a little bit on the end of the wire right there, and then I put some on the end, just mush that stuff together. There we go. And then just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side, but yeah. I really do like the colorful one though, like I really do. If you guys can't tell, I just love anything color, anything rainbow, anything vibrant. So yeah, doing the same thing with this one. And like I said, make sure you glue it to the end of the wire. But y'all, that's pretty much it. And y'all can sell these things. I've seen people selling these things on Etsy for a decent amount of money. And we have our third one all done. Not bad. They look really cute. I can't wait to wear them. And you know what? I'm wondering if you could actually use them as bracelets.